Kristle Lauren brush cleaning. Take one. Kristle Lauren brush cleaning. Take 437,000. Love you, babe.
Love you.
Knock 'em out of the park.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new, my name is Kristle. Thank you so much for watching. Today, I'm in a little bit of a different setting. I'm in my kitchen because I'm gonna be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So today is Sunday, and usually on Sundays are the days I clean my brushes. I clean them about every 2 weeks. I have a lot of brushes, and so for me, I like to use something that is more inexpensive yet effective because I have to use a lot of it. What I use for me just works the best out of anything that I've ever used. Typically on a daily basis, I'm only using my Beauty Blender cleanser because this is what I use to clean just my Beauty Blender. That's the only thing I clean on a daily basis. But if I have to clean like one brush or two brushes, then I do just use this because it's just easier. But I don't use this to clean all of my brushes at one time just because this is not super cheap and it doesn't come with a lot. So if I were to use this on all of my brushes, I would have like half the bottle left. So if you are interested in seeing what I use and what I do to clean all of my makeup brushes, then just keep on watching. Okay, so these are my brushes. I want you guys to see how dirty these brushes are. This is my bronzer brush, so this one is what I use every single day and it's super dirty. This is my blush brush, which all of these are just really dirty. So as you can see, these brushes are just, they need a good cleaning. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit of a before so you could see how dirty they are. Okay, so these are the things that I use. First is Dawn dish soap. For me, the Dawn dish soap is the best thing to use. I don't know why the blue one is the best to me. I've tried some other ones, but this one just cleans the best in my opinion. So blue Dawn dish soap, and then extra virgin olive oil. You can get any brand. This is just like an H-E-B brand, which is my local grocery store. It's a generic extra virgin olive oil. So you can use any extra virgin olive oil that you want. This really cleanses your brushes, and then this makes them super soft. So these are the two products that you'll need. This one is optional. This is a little like glove cleansing brush that I got from Sigma. You don't need to use this, but I've definitely found that your brushes will be more deeply cleaned if you use something like this, but you can use your hand, so this one is optional. And then you'll want to use a big towel. Now this, the size of your towel depends on how many brushes you have. For me, I have a lot of brushes, and so I use a big towel because while I'm cleaning my brushes, I like to, after I'm done cleaning one, I like to sort of dry them off and take out all the excess water with the towel once I'm done cleaning the brush. So I'll show you guys that while I'm cleaning. So I'll take the Dawn dish soap and I just do about that much, and then I'll take the extra virgin olive oil and do about equal parts. It's about that much. And then I just take a straw, or you can just use your finger or a spoon or whatever, and I just kind of mix it up into each other. This doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you don't have to mix them completely, but this is just what I do. Okay, so before I start, one of the things that you will definitely 100% absolutely not want to do is wash your brushes in hot water. I know that some people say, oh, okay, well, you know, it kills more of the germs, but if you wash your brushes in hot water, your brushes are held together by glue in this little handle. So if you use hot water, the chances of that glue melting are pretty high and your brush is just gonna come apart. So I always just wash my brushes in cold water and it's completely fine. All right, so the first thing you'll do is you'll dampen your brush a little bit like that, take out some excess water, just dip it in, take your brush and start swirling it around, and you'll see all of the makeup just start coming out of it, and then you'll just rinse it out. Also, another thing, you'll want to make sure that your brush is pointed downwards like this, just so that you alleviate a lot of water from getting up in the handle where all the glue is. So that's what I always do. I always point my brushes downwards when I wash them. Once you feel like all of the soap is out, then you just kind of wring it out like you would your hair. And this is where the towel comes in. So I usually just have the towel here with me, and I take it and I just kind of take out all the excess water from the brush as much as possible. So then you'll just lay it flat on another towel, just like that. All right, this is my bronzer brush. This one is super dirty. Like I said, just get it damp, dip it, and then just start massaging. All that bronzer makeup, you'll see it just start coming out of the brush. This glove really does help, but like I said, if you don't have one, you can just use your hand. It's not a big deal. And just massage into the brush. Now this brush, since it is white, it is a little bit stained because I use it every single day. So it is a little bit stained, but you'll see such a difference between when it was dirty and now look how clean it is. All right, then you'll just take out excess water. Kind of just like you would your hair when you get out of the shower, do that with your brush. I sometimes like to reshape them as well when I lay them down. Kind of refluff them and reshape them, and then just lay them down. This is the plate at the end. I've pretty much used all of it up. So depending on how many brushes you have, it really is going to depend on how much, you know, of the soap and oil that you use. But for me, since I have all of these brushes, I use this up pretty easily. So, all right, so this is most of them all clean. So I just lay them down all like this, and usually it takes, I don't start using them until the following day. So I would give them overnight just to make sure that they're really dry. All right, so it's the next day. Do you see how fluffy and clean and shiny? So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Or if you have any other video suggestions, please leave them down below in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with a new video. And also, if you were wondering about my messy bun here, I do have a video on how I do my messy bun as well. So I will link that down below in case you're interested. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.